Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, I am Queen T, and I'm sure you guys can tell by the title of this video what we're about to get into today. I'm going to show you guys how to properly lay down your wigs just like this here using Got2B spray. This hair is from Jessica Hair on Amazon. I got it for like $88 over. I'll link the link below so that you guys can look at this wig in case you want to purchase it. But for now, if you guys want to see how I was able to achieve such a laid and slayed install using Got2B glue free spray, then please just keep on watching. So what we're gonna do next is pick up our wig. Yeah, even though I have bleached my knots, I am going to take my foundation powder and I'm going to stipple it onto the lace just so it'll match better when it's actually on my head, because right now it'd probably be a little bit too light. So I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance pressed powder and the Golden Cashews, and mix it also with my darker shade, which is the Warm Hazelnut, in the same exact powder, just a different shade, a little bit darker, because I like to mix them. So I just take that like this and I just stipple it in, mainly around the hairline. So we're just going to take it again and stipple, stipple, stipple. Are we seeing a difference? Because I don't know. But it's going to look different when it get on my head. That's all that matters. Alright, so we're back. I have applied all of the powder onto the lace. And we're just going to go ahead and pop this girl right on top of our heads and see what we're working with. So basically, it's going to be a lot easier for me to apply this wig now that I have already cut the lace and it's customized to my hair already. So yeah. Alright, so it's time to go ahead and use the Got2B spray. So I'm just going to pin back all of my hair out of the way so that the hair is not going to get stuck down when we go ahead and start spraying. And we're going to work in sections of 3, starting with the middle, then we're going to do each side individually. So I'm going to just let that dry down just a little bit, and I'm going to go in with 2 coats just so that we can get a better hold, a better adherence for the next couple of days. So I'm just going to take the lace down and start pressing it into the skin, just giving it a firm hold. Then I'm going to use my blow dryer to dry down the spray so that it will hold and adhere properly. So just lift the little hairs that are starting to fall down use the back of your comb and press it into the skin like this here, because we are giving the appearance of scalp, baby. Grab your blow dryer, whichever one you got, put it on the cool setting, because if you use it on hot, it is going to make the Got2B spray not tacky, but it's going to make it back liquidy again. We don't want that. We want We're just going to repeat the steps for each side. I have a favorite side, so I always start with this side first. Add extra to your sideburns, because they always lift up first and we don't know why. Oh, she's dripping today, sweetie. Maybe I'm putting a little bit too much on. So we're just gonna pull this tab down here and bond it to our skin. Give it a good little press. So I'm noticing a little bit of white residue, which is fine. It's probably because I sprayed it on top of the lace as well as I was drying it. So we're just gonna comb it out, and when I put my mousse down to slick my edges, it's gonna go away. So I'm really not that worried about it, to be quite honest. But just in case y'all seen it and was wondering what it was, that's what it is. So I see this tab of lace here that I don't really want and I don't really need, because it doesn't have much hair on it, and I quite honestly don't know why it's here. So we're just gonna get rid of it. It literally literally had no hair on it. I don't know why that was sitting there, but I'm glad I got rid of it, because what? We don't need no extra lace just hanging around for no reason. We don't need none of that. Let me get those sideburns again though. I told y'all they're the first ones to lift up, so go ahead and we're gonna blow dry that one more time. If I could actually turn the blow dryer on, we're gonna do that. So next, what I like to do is put this little headband on that I just found like the other day. I remember that I had it and I'm like, bruh, this would be perfect to lay my wigs down. So I'm gonna lay this down for probably like 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna clean up the edges, get the rest of the Got2B glue off of my skin, put my mousse on. We're gonna lay these edges and we'll be done. Alright, so we're back. I have my headband on. We're gonna take it off. Anyway, we're gonna take it off and use some alcohol just to get rid of any excess like Got2B glue that we have left on our skin, because we don't want that. So again, grab our alcohol, use our cotton pad, and we're just gonna lightly rub it across where we see some of the excess spray on our skin, being very careful not to use the alcohol actually on the lace, because it will lift the lace and you have to start all over, and that's not what we want. So what we are going to do next, now that we have her applied on, is we're going to use the Got2B foaming mousse to just tame these curls, get it together, and slay her. I don't want to be careful about getting the mousse on the lace because it can lift it if it has alcohol in it. However, the Got2B, I don't believe it does, because I have not experienced that when I use any other mousses. It does lift, but this one, she a real G. She may not hold the best. She does not have the best hold, but she don't lift my lace, so. I'm gonna grab my Denman brush just to go through the curls and get it back popping. before we finish out is just do some of our baby hairs, just so that we can make sure that she's all molded, she's together, and we're looking good. And I'm not gonna do too much because literally I'm about to get in the bed. Love this hair, so bomb. Yeah, all right, well, that's enough of that. Let me go do this face, get my face together, and I'll see y'all in a second. Alright guys, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. So yeah, this is how you apply your lace front wig. I just went off camera and did some of my makeup, and it's fairly easy. I hope that the tutorial was very easy to follow, very self-explanatory. It's not very hard to actually apply the wig, so I hope that you guys were able to grasp the concept and be able to slay your own wigs. I'm so excited that I was able to finally film this for you guys. And yeah, if you guys want any more wig tutorials, makeup tutorials, please leave a comment below. Give me some feedback. Let me know what I can work on so that we can do this together. Yeah, just make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, so bye babes, see you guys in the next one. Mwah. God, I have a brain fart. I don't know. I hope that you guys were able to grasp some sort of knowledge about how to apply your lace front wigs with Got2B glue. My strap is falling. Okay. I can never do right.